Hello, my lovely viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to Z Tutorial Academy with brand new tutorial. And this video, I will show you how to create a mouth-watering burger post design and Photoshop using creative effects and smart techniques. We will turn a simple image into a stunning, eye-catching design that grabs attention instantly, whether you are a beginner or an expert. You will learn some cool tricks to enhance your designs. So stay connected and watch step by step full tutorial, and let's bring this burger to life with Photoshop magic. My lovely viewers, what do you think of this burger post design? Which effect did you like the most? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any question or want to see a specific tutorial on the next, drop your suggestion below. I would love to hear from you. We start our burger post design by first making a well background where our main subject burger should look delicious and eye-catching. Tag the rectangle tool and draw it, and then change the color and choose a gradient color. Create a new layer and tag the brush tool and go to the brush panel and click on the brushes. Here you can select your brush. I'm going to select this brush. And now simply start painting. Change the blending mode to select the color overlay, and then right click on the layer and create clipping mask and press Ctrl plus C to merge them. Now go to the edit and choose the perspective warp. Now we place our main object or burger here. Go to the color adjustment layer and choose the vibrance and make the vibrance 100% and increase the saturation 12 and make sure the clipping mask. Again go to the color adjustment layer and choose the curve and drag the middle. And now apply drop shadow, go to the effects and choose the drop shadow and follow these. And then create a new layer and tag the curvature pen tool and change the shape into the path. And now actually we make a fire by using path. And go to the filter and click on the render and choose the flame. Now change the blend mode and simply now we select this one highlight. And now simply add your text. And now we are going to use these all elements on our post. So just start adding these all. If you are enjoying my tutorial and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Tutor Academy. Your supports help me to create more amazing tutorials for you. Also turn on the notification bell. You will never miss any update from the Tutor Academy. And that's it for today's tutorial. We created a stunning burger post design using creative Photoshop techniques. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned some new tricks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Z Editor Academy for more awesome design content. Also, let me know in the comment section what tutorial you would like to see in the next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care of yourself, stay blessed, stay connected.